Boys got the deck liner cap lid off of the Mako. This is after we've done our fabrications and tabbed the interior sections in place where we want it. We now have it flipped over. After lunch break, the boys will come in here and tear through this like a bunch of buzzsaws. Never stop. Scotty, Derek, they're on the home stretch of getting all this rotted core removed. So what they did is they literally just coated the bottom with resin, stuck it in place, thinking, oh yeah, that's going to be good. This is why, even if we're using composite core, but if we're using plywood with epoxy construction, you'll not only see us score the back of our wood so the wood sits down into the surface of placing it, but we'll in fact put a couple layers of matte with what we call our Metan glue, which is nothing more than epoxy silica mixed. And we'll stick it in place. Sometimes you'll see us vacuum it down. Sometimes you'll see us screw from the other side. But we're assured that the plywood is laying flat down in a bed of material. Absolutely being sure that there is no voids ever to develop. And as I said in many videos, those voids are all moisture gaps. The change of environment outside, no different than our refrigerator. There's a void here, and it's damp and it's moist out here. It will build up inside this little void and start eating away the wood from within. All in the prep, even at the grinding stage. Because if it isn't ground right the first time, grinding is not something that you want to have to come back and do. You want to get all the grinding done, get the surfaces prepped, so once you start glassing and laminating, you keep going and not stop.